Did you know that most of the crops we eat need irrigation? But what happens to the irrigation pipe when it is past its use-by date and it becomes agri-waste? It goes to landfill. At Woodshield, we say no to landfill and use the old irrigation pipe once it's been recycled. The old pipe is chopped up and melted through extrusion into recycled plastic pellets. To make the Woodshield posts, we take timber from the forest and do not treat it with chemicals. Then we coat the timber in the recycled plastic, making a post that will last and stopping the agri-waste going to landfill. Once the posts are made, we ship them across the country and all over the world. When you purchase a Woodshield product, you're supporting plastic recycling and a part of the solution. The Woodshield posts are used in many different ways. Crop fencing, fruit orchards, general farm fencing, home gardens, horse fencing yards and arenas, boardwalks, jetties and piers, oyster farming and general aquaculture, parking bollards, playgrounds, show jumping poles, barriers for sports ovals and parks, trellis posts for vineyards. When the posts are no longer needed, simply remove them from the ground. Strip the plastic off the post, just like peeling a banana. Then the plastic can be chopped up and recycled. As the timber is chemical free, it can be mulched back to the earth or burnt as firewood. Then we take the recycled plastic, the original agri-waste, and reuse it again to make new product. It can then be sent back out for farmers, gardens, vineyards, orchards, animal fencing, playgrounds and more. And this is our circular economy.